Hello everyone! Hello madlang people! Hello Wolfians, to our beloved founder, love! Hello mahal ko! Good morning sa lahat! And this is VOLF Alana from Voices of Love Foundation Charity Group, Central Coast, California, USA chapter. Nandito ako sa park. It's a beautiful day. So let's take a look what's going on around the planets. Love you guys. So it's a very, very lovely day here in Central Coast, California. It's so amazing, an amazing view. It's very relaxing, so it feels good outside and relax. It's so windy, but above all, it's lovely day. Woo! What a beautiful day, but it's getting cold. Let's walk around and wow. Ang sarap ng buhay kapag feeling good. Just relax and stay positive. Life is amazing. Just enjoy the world. Just relax it and take it easy. What a lovely day here in Central Coast, California. It's a little bit cold, but above all, it's very relaxing. This is Central Coast, California. What a beautiful day. Amazing. The beauty of the world. That we always be thankful, always be happy. It's so cold. The ocean is my background. I love the beauty of the world. Very, very amazing. Ang buhay, i-enjoy ang lahat ng blessing na nasa kapaligiran. Woo! It feels good when you feel good, when you stay positive. Just relax and enjoy outdoor beauty. Ganun lang ang buhay. Enjoy and what a lovely day. A little bit cold and windy, but enjoy lang. Basta keep warm. Woo! Ang buhay, kailangan i-enjoy kung anong mayroon ka. Kung ano ka, just enjoy it. Be positive, be nice each other. Just be who you are. Lovely day. This is Central Coast, California. The beauty of the world that we always be thankful. Woo! So windy. Whoa! 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 Very nice. Very, very nice. I love it. It's so nice and beautiful. It's getting cold and so windy, but amazing view that we always be thankful. The beauty of the world. Woo! Hello, Wolfians. Hello, Kapamilya. Hello, everyone around the world. Smile lang sa buhay, be positive, and forget everything. Mahalin ang nagmamahal sa'yo. At kalimutan ang taong sinaktan. Kanang lubusan, forgive them and forget them. Ganun lang, i-relax ang buhay. Kung may problema, punta ka sa dagat at relax. See the beauty of the world. It's so amazing. Very, very amazing. Enjoy lang, diba? Ganun lang ang buhay. I-enjoy and relax. Oh, thank God it's warm. Keep going. Let the sun shine. Let the sun come out. It's a beautiful day. Ganun lang ang buhay. I-enjoy kanunay. Central Coast, California. I love the mountains. It's pretty cool. Sana umulan pa more para maging green. It's getting in there. At sana uminit na kasi para maganda ang araw kapag mainit. Yun ang kailangan natin. Hot weather. Amazing, diba? Ganun. It's beautiful. Whoop. Come the sunshine. Yun. Diba maganda? Amazing Central Coast, California. What a lovely day. It's so nice to look around and relax, explore, and relax your mind. Yun ang kailangan natin outdoor to look and see the beauty of what's around us. Clear your mind from negative thoughts. Clear your heart from negative thing, and everything is clear and okay. Healthy heart, healthy life, positive thoughts. Yan ang sekreto sa buhay para maging healthy kanunay. Always be positive. Positive ang kailangan. Natanggal yung ano ko. Wait.